Hi everyone, my name is Jordan. I'm a customer success manager here at GoLinks, and today I wanted to walk you through our Google Calendar integration. So if you're on the dashboard, you can actually come over here to the left where it says integrations. When you click into that, you'll see all the available app integrations that we have. If you come down to the bottom and click on Google Calendar, it will give you some information about the integration, shows you that you can turn GoLinks into clickable links within your Google Calendar events. Up here at the top, you'll see an Add button to add it to your workspace. If you go ahead and click that, you'll see a button that says install. I already have this installed, so I'm not going to go ahead and install it, but you'll see an install button add for yourself to add that to your workspace. Once you do that, you can actually come over to your calendar. And let's say that I'm going to make an event on August 30th at 12 p.m. for a marketing meeting. And everybody that I invite to this event, I want them to know all of the information that we're going to be discussing, all the resources we're going to go through. So I'm going to include the GoLinks that are relevant to this meeting. Go/blog, go/marketing, go/content. All right, I'm going to go ahead and hit save. When you add that integration to your workspace, you're going to see the little GoLinks icon on the right-hand dashboard. When I click that, it will pop up. And then when I click the specific meeting that I have, I'm going to go ahead and hit that. It will convert all of those GoLinks that have been included in that meeting into clickable GoLinks now right here on the side. So I can click into these, view that information before this meeting to know exactly what it is that we're going to be discussing on this call. So that was everything that I had. I hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to our support channel. We'll be more than happy to assist, and have a good rest of your day.